Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, checking back in on gold. The daily chart bounced off the 10-day moving average support. We know how important this 1280 is. I'll show it on a couple different time frames, but you can see the lows here of the past 4 or 5 days holding that 1280 support level. So the weekly time frame is what we're watching due to this 200-week moving average resistance. Bulls really need to turn that into support to prove themselves and see, in my opinion, what would be a strong move to the upside after that does occur, if it does occur. The 10-week moving average support is 1268. So if we lose 1280, we're looking down at some psychological levels. 1275 saw some action, 1270 as well, and then this 10-week moving average. But we like using the shorter term time frames for gold to get a nice indication here. First, we'll look at the hourly chart. We saw the dump, the bounce back up toward the low 1300s, a pullback again, and now a lower high being set at 1294. So it's currently a lower high pattern, and we're flattening out, and we can see this 1280 support clear by looking at the 4-hour chart. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tests of 1280, and now these lower highs are setting in. So a very tight range is forming. We're going to see a breakout or a breakdown in the next 2 days, in my opinion. If we lose 1280, we can look back to previous history. We've got this 1275 level, 1270 acting as support, and 1268 down here as well. So a break of 1280, the bears are going to step in on gold for the short term. And if we break this lower high pattern, we'll be looking back up to 1300 and then 1319, the high of this breakout. So that's the rundown on gold, and watch that hourly time frame, this shorter term here, and see these lower highs and watch for that break. It's either going to be a very clear bearish or very clear bullish break, and that's going to give a nice trading opportunity. And this is the kind of play where, because the range is tightening and volatility is tightening, you don't need to make an entry. You can be scouting other plays, looking around at other things in the market, the oil market, or individual tickers. And then as you're keeping an eye on gold, once you see it getting close to that break, you get more prepared, you get your order filled out, and you start scouting out for that potential entry. So this is one that we will keep on the back burner and keep an eye on it. And then once that clear break occurs, that trade opportunity will present itself. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow to see if we get a break of this pattern. Have a wonderful night.